Because graphs make use of two axes, they allow us to visualize how two quantities change with respect to each other. A number accompanied by a ratio of 2 units is used to represent this type of change and is referred to as a rate. Rates are ratios that show how quantities change with respect to each other. Here's an example. The rate to attend a tactics workshop is $20 per officer. Another rate at which a cadet runs a training circuit could be expressed as 4 miles per hour. To compute some rates, let's look at some examples. In this first example, we have 17 officers go to a tactics seminar as a total cost to the department of $340. The problem is to compute the rate, which is cost per officer. The per is represented by a fraction bar here. The first quantity is what we'll put in the numerator, which was indicated as $340, and the officer will be the denominator value, which from the problem we see that there were 17 officers. Generally, we simplify rates if possible, and here we'll do the indicated division, which results in 340 divided by 17, or $20 per officer. In this next example, we have that a cadet runs a 1 3/4 mile training course in 26 minutes, 15 seconds. It's asking us to compute the miles per hour. The per is the indication of our rate, or fraction. We can see the mile information, and expressing this as a decimal, we'll put 1.75 in place of the mixed fraction. The time in the denominator for this rate is hours, and the problem is giving us mixed times, neither of which is hours. So we need to do a little bit of prep work here and converting. To begin with, the 15 seconds would be 15/60ths of a minute, 1/4, or decimal equivalency of 0.25. Add that to the 26 minutes. We now have 26.25 minutes. And one more conversion from this minute into hours would be 26.25 over 60 of an hour. And doing the division, 26.25 divided by 60 results in the following decimal value. We'll place that in our hour position in the rate, and then do the indicated division, 1.75 divided by 0.4375, which results in 4 miles per hour for the speed of this cadet.